Welcome to the strongest paper in the world. To achieve the best results from roll packing, you need a very strong paper that can withstand the tension when it is wrapped around springs. Our Mondi's Advantage MF Springpack was developed specifically for roll packing and compressing goods. Let me show you something. It is so strong, it even holds the Guinness World Record as the strongest paper in the world for lifting a 4.2-ton container on a single sheet. But that's not all. We unofficially broke our own record by lifting a 9.8-ton locomotive on one sheet. The paper is available in a substance range of 110 to 160 grams per meter squared and in different widths for any inner spring unit. You can also benefit from another fantastic advantage: our technical sales service. It includes on-site consulting and training.
Wow, sounds great!